In the past 2 days, I've gotten over 20 questions about dark circles. Well, I'm a celebrity makeup artist. I'm going to show you how to take care of them. Obviously, getting enough sleep, eating right, exercising, and drinking enough water is going to help you, but nobody wants to do that. So what else you got? First things first is skin prep. You want to make sure you use a brightening, hydrating eye cream like Ren, Bliss, or Goldfaden MD. And you want to try to find a nice, hydrating, brightening under eye skin patch like this one. If you also deal with puffiness, you might want to take a cooling glove or jade roller and work your magic, honey. Next, you want to color correct. I'm going to be using these Exa high fidelity color correctors. You want to start with very little, and you're going to do like a swiping right here and just even out that area. So now I'm going to do the same thing with a little bit of concealer. I know sometimes we think we want more than we need. Honestly, a little goes a really long way, and you can always add more. That should help. Let me know if you have any more questions about dark circles. If you have Milia around your eyes, I'm going to give you a list of eye gels that work to hydrate and brighten and tighten. What is Milia? It's white little bumps that look like little white pimples. I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and here's what you should try using. If you have tiny bumps around your eyes, this is called Milia, and I'm going to tell you how to get rid of it. Tip number 1 is to steam and open up the pores. You can use your shower, but it's a little bit of waste of water, so I love to use a facial humidifier like Hey Dewy. Just like let it humidify the face. This won't take care of it right away, but will open up the pores to help heal the Milia. Number 2, a gentle exfoliation. You can do a physical or a chemical. We just need to slough off the dead skin so we have a cell turnover. Remember, if you're going chemical, and even if you're going physical, it's around the eye area, so be very, very careful. Number 3, use a retinoid cream. Again, be careful because it is the eye area, but this is a great way to heal Milia. Number 4, if it won't go away, because usually Milia will go away by its own within 2 to 3 weeks. If it's stubborn, that is the time you want to pick up your phone, your rotary phone, and you want to call your dermatologist. They can also give you a facial, but they might need to go in deep. So, I'm no dermatologist, but I am a celebrity makeup artist, so I know a thing or two. What the is toner? Toner is extra hydration, also going to take care of anything left over from when you washed your skin. It's going to take it off. It helps balance your skin. It helps refresh you. It's basically like an extra oomph. You don't necessarily need it, but if you're going to use it after your cleanse and before you put on serum or other product. Side note, I like to spray it maybe in the middle of the day for a quick pick-me-up. Do you want your pores to look smaller? Well, I got some products for you. I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and these are my recommendations. Do eye creams even work, and what do they do? Let me tell you, I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and when you're using an eye cream, you're looking for something that's going to depuff. It's going to take away wrinkles by hydrating the area around the eyes. It's going to give you brightness, which is really important, and take away those wrinkles. That's what I look for, and that's what I judge the best eye creams on. Most eye creams on the market don't work. I'm a celebrity makeup artist and I've tried them all. And here is a list of ones that absolutely do work. A lot of eye creams are super expensive, but I've dug deep and found some really affordable ones that actually work. I'm a celebrity makeup artist, and here's a list.